Our top functions of behavior are basically attention, avoidance, and control. Every human being walking around wants attention. They don't want to do something that they don't like, and they want a sense of control. So if you look at the kids that give you the most trouble, you ask yourself, what are they getting from it? No child ever comes to me and says, Miss, I'm having a really difficult day, and therefore I'm going to most likely crumple up my paper, I'm going to roll under the desk, I'm going to throw things at the wall, tip over a chair, and run down the hallway because I'm really seeking some avoidance because of what's going on with me right now. No, they crumple up their paper, they run out of the room, tip over a chair, and we're like, what happened? The child's out of control. And then they run down the hall and we chase them. You ever had to chase a child running down the hall? But don't you love this when we say that child's out of control? I want you to think about that. If they're running down the hall and they're doing one of these and then all of a sudden they stop to see if we're still coming, that's not out of control. That's really in control. That's doing something to get my needs met. And that's the stuff we have to really think about. Is that how do you teach somebody how to get attention without doing it the way they're doing it now? Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.